Hi Anna, just a quick question. Are you guys doing the $5 boxes?
We don't have the grab bags at the moment. We won't know until the day before they put them out.
Oh, okay. No worries, thank you.
We've been seeing all over social media that Michaels is doing a $5 mystery grab bag. We even got a couple of DMs from you guys, so we are trying to track some down and hope that we can find some.
I'm just wondering if you guys have any of those $5 like mystery boxes, bags, or whatever.
We have like 3 left. Yeah, we have 3, the $5 grab bags. Yeah,
there's
3 left.
Damn, okay. There's no way you can hold them, obviously, right?
No, we can't hold them.
Alright, thanks, dude.
No worries, take care. Bye.
Babe, we gotta go.
We're 31 minutes away. I doubt this is gonna happen. We are here and we are looking. I pray to God that we can find them. I got some chills. Where are they at? Oh, we got 3 of them. Okay, we have one problem. I don't have my wallet. I forgot it. Do you have yours? I really don't have it. Jasmine, don't you want to peek so bad?
No. I'm excited.
This one right here, Jasmine? This is heavy, dude.
This is right here.
Don't do that. No cheating. No cheating. No cheating. Bruh, it's a sign.
There's rats here?
Hmm?
There's rats here.
I don't get it.
6'9". You're such a dumbass.
No, those people over there are just laughing at me. Well, I'm assuming their masks on.
Before we get into the boxes, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that we got at Walmart, or I'm so used to saying Walmart. At Ross, I found myself these right here, these Adidas shoes. These are like, I wanna say anywhere from $95, because I don't wanna do it right now. They're anywhere from like $95 to $150 shoes, and I got them for $40, and I'm gonna keep these. I'm actually gonna use them and wear them. And then Jasmine's seen these and thought we could resell them.
Something, I don't know. Maybe we know somebody's birthday coming up that needs cleats.
I don't know who needs cleats, but these right here are some Huarache cleats, and we got them for $2.99, obviously brand new. But as you can see, guys, huge score, size 11.5, so this is a size that people will actually wear.
Size, yeah.
Usually you'll see like size 17s over there for $2. And then Jasmine found another pair of cleats, this time Adidas, and these are actually super nice. They have like the cloud foam or whatever Adidas calls it. As you guys can see. Honestly, what if we just shave off the cleat and then just wear them?
Can you?
I don't know. But these are $2.99 as well. So we'll be able to flip these. These are size 12s, which again is a common size. But yeah.
You should try to take them out. So now to the exciting stuff.
All right.
We are opening these $5 grab bag boxes.
Okay, let me put this a little closer.
Wow, what do we need all this for?
Oh my gosh. All right, guys, well.
This is fun. This is good for Ellie. She likes to play with this kind of stuff.
Come get it, baby.
And look, you can even have a sleigh.
Oh no. Oh gosh, all right. Cute. Oh, well, there's some kind of cool stuff.
This is cool. I don't know what we can do with this.
It's a necklace.
Oh yeah, these are fun.
Show them. So we got 3 sets of these. These were all regularly $6.99. So those are kind of cool, I guess. Why in the world would we ever need
for a
that?
tassel.
Oh, on top of
for your graduation hat.
graduation cap, yeah.
And then, so like this sucks.
We could use this like when our son graduates in like 7 years.
Yeah, but like these.
How about we just get a permanent marker? Oh, see, this one's not bad. This one just says congrats, Crad.
This one's not bad either.
Yeah, so we could save those and like
It's just
sell them.
Class of 2020 that we don't need.
Yeah. Or maybe we can just, I don't know. Maybe someone will buy them. Someone wants to do like a project or something. It's still kind of fun though.
It is fun, but it's like, damn.
Which box was heavy? Was it the next one? Okay, that's the one I think is gonna be the best one.
There's more like hula stuff in here, I can see it.
Oh.
Wow.
Really? But wait, oh my gosh, another one.
Another toy.
Uh-oh. Oh! Okay, one thing at a time.
Ooh, okay. Okay, so a bunch of like hula.
Give them all to Ellie.
Here, mommy, these are all for you, girl. You can throw a little luau party.
We got like 7 of them.
Play with these.
I don't want to.
Okay, So then there's all these. These are tassel.
Oh, they go on caps.
Or caps. But I don't know. We could use them for something else. And there's even like, look at this.
Oh, whoa.
The world is calling, and
They're for the top
must go.
Oh, but there's holes in the middle of all of
Adventures
them.
out there. It's okay. We can figure something out.
Unless we keep them until next graduation and then make stuff.
I think all the same ones. Look at it.
We could also use, hold on.
Big city is waiting.
We could like cut that and then like turn it into a sign.
Signs?
Yeah.
That's for me too.
Yeah.
Get it?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. How much were these originally?
I think they're
$6.
That's not bad. That's exciting. Okay, that's a little bit
That's a little better.
better.
And there's like literally 40 of those.
Yeah, all right. And then we have one more.
This is the one that I think is gonna
Honestly,
produce.
I think it was just a bunch of like notepads.
I'm cool with that.
Probably a bunch of graduation stuff again.
If it's notepads, we can use it.
We're gonna have a luau party because there's more luau stuff in here.
Is there really?
Yeah, so we're just gonna throw the luau.
Oh my gosh, there's like legit luau stuff in here. Oh, okay, there might be stuff in here, babe.
Okay, so we have some.
Okay, take your time, take your time.
So we have some hula skirts
Is that what it is?
or hula.
Hula Fete Hawaiian.
Hula.
Is that what it, oh yeah, it is skirts.
Or table. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, those are skirts.
So then we have this stuff.
Oh my gosh, there's some good stuff in here, babe.
These are.
You gotta show the camera, babe.
So then they have like these monograms.
They're stickers.
These are so cute. Why-
There would be a B for you, because you're beautiful.
Look at how cute these are. I don't
Yeah.
know anybody with these initials. They're a bunch of R's, N's, and P's, but they're cute.
That's actually not bad at all. We got quite a bit of them. Look at this.
A lot of
Bring them out, bring them out. It's a lot of monogram stuff.
Monograms. CHL,
Hey, that's good. We could use that.
KJ,
Nice.
L,
Nice. M for your mom.
M for my mom. Another J. H for Hernandez. You can give that to them.
Oh, look it. There's also stuff in the back. Look,
Oh yeah.
there's a different style of H in the back.
So there's those.
These are regularly $6. Oh, Jasmine, there's 3 stickers in each.
A toy for Ellie.
Oh, these are finger. Oh, watch this, guys. Ellie, stay right there. I'm gonna shoot you something. Look.
And then we have these
What is it?
monograms.
Oh,
I
oh,
don't
whoa. Those are like acrylic.
There's a few of those in here.
Those are cool. These are all $6.
And then we have just envelopes.
That's cool. Like when we get remarried,
Envelopes for
huh?
Yeah.
To other people.
I can't wait for that day. And
What are all those?
They're
Oh,
all
they're envelopes and cards. Like thank you cards, maybe? What is that?
Envelopes. And some more envelopes. And some more envelopes.
Oh my god, there's
Some more
so many.
envelopes. That's why it was heavy.
We could sell these, Jasmine.
And then we have these
One penny.
sticky note pads. They have G's on them. E, G,
For Ellie.
and E.
What are they?
Sticky note pads.
Sticky notes. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
We got 7 of those. 8 of those.
We have their little buttons.
Oh, they're buttons to like put on shirts and like to make like so.
Yeah, so there's these. Ellie earrings or some rings or something with these.
Those are kind of cool.
Yeah, these.
Oh, those ones are cute.
These are for my sister. Some sushi.
Oh, that's cool.
These ones say peace, love, happiness, and strength. And then some crazy cat lady ones. And then America.
So we got, I think, okay, on this box we definitely got our money.
You think?
Yes.
Okay. And then, last but not least, we have
Oh my
all
gosh.
these stickers
You know what those are for?
for envelopes.
Yeah, like on the back of letters to
Yeah.
seal the letters.
J, bunch of J's, and the back is a different one too.
I'm gonna mail my bills in and just use these on my bills.
If you turn it around, it's a different color.
Oh, there's 2 packs.
Decided. K's, H. K's, H's, J's, and E's are not common ones used, I guess.
For last names.
Yeah.
Oh, those are pretty, the pink ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to figure something out. If you guys have an idea of like what we can use, these are actually stickers, babe. So I don't know what we could do with these.
Cut stuff on the Cricut with the glitter ones.
Yeah, we can cut those. The only problem is that hole in the middle. That's the only thing. I never thought about making custom graduation caps out of the Cricut during that time.
Hat things.
The caps, yeah.
But like these ones are cool.
Maybe we could turn these into clocks.
Oh yeah.
Because there's a circle right there. For these buttons, I wonder if you could make Ellie bows.
Yeah, we can put them in the middle of both.
Some sushi bows, that'd be kind of cute.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute.
That is actually so cute.
I like that.
You can like hang those on the fridge.
Yeah. I mean, I don't care if it has a G. Just use them anyway.
Yeah.
And
G
Ellie
for
can have-
gorgeous, because that's what
Yeah.
you are.
These envelopes though, like, I don't know what we can do. Damn it.
Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. We do lots of hauls on here. We do lots of thrifting. We do lots of dumpster diving. It's just shopping, but just in different ways, so.
You can grab that.
Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe. Also, be sure to send PayPal me
Nothing.
so I can get some aloe vera.
No, you need to just wear sunscreen when you go out.
I did, everywhere but my face, and you were the one that was in charge of spraying me. I'm usually the one that's in charge of spraying you.
You're an adult. Get out of here.
It is what it is. It hurts to put my hat on. We'll see you guys later.